Hostile galaxy
Go.
in the area.
Tank behind.
Lighting.
Lightning spotted.
More hunking.
God damn, the front of a lightning's tough.
Dude, when you put on giraffe camo, you become invincible.
Ash up on lightning.
The back of a lightning's not quite as tough.
Took out lightning.
Alright. Who count on Vanguard?
ID on an enemy Sunderer.
How's everybody doing ammo?
We got a
800,
huge
pretty good.
More than half.
On a hostile
Zerg up there.
Alright, let's go. Get
Storm
Cut
Falconer,
left.
huh?
Cut left. Oh, okay. I'll cut right. Sorry.
Don't split up.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, we're not splitting.
Other lid pulled. Or,
Where are we going?
My bad. You're right.
Enemy
You're right.
ATV spotted.
Eyes on an enemy gunship.
If I can just ram you as much as I want.
another Sunday pulled.
And a lightning.
lightning. Two lightnings.
Holy flying fuckballs, that is stupid.
More hunking.
Thank you.
More not blocking shots.
Vehicle kills should count as kills.
Tank eliminated.
Lightning behind us.
Another lighting behind us. Two lightning behind us.
Two lightnings.
Let's back up slowly. We're getting screened.
Dude, they
Make right,
fucking
go
just
forward.
unleashed AA from hell.
We gotta go clockwise around this hill.
Went around the mountain, got melted.
Hostile lightning tank eliminated.
Eyes on an enemy lightning.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh my god, we've, like, just eaten, the arm reserve all by
Lightning,
ourselves
hold
there.
on, lightning.
Where are you guys at?
We're,
Brasser.
west of Court, or east of Court Ridge.
Enemy lightning tank destroyed.
Eyes on an enemy.
Vanguard.
Visual on rebel Vanguard.
Back up slowly.
Spotted enemy transport.
Let's get out of here. Squeeze.
Enemy Mac. Enemy Mac spotted.
Oh, this isn't out of the way. Slow, Bert, slow, slow.
One less enemy.
Oh,
Mac.
That's Hammer Boss.
Yep.
Killed
Alright,
Hammer
alright,
Boss.
alright.
Where's Hammer Boss? You got him?
Yeah, I
Good
got
man.
him. He's the max screening in us. I killed him.
No way, Max suit, Hammer Boss?
I'm repping,
Yeah.
I'm repping.
Never.
I'm gonna need
Is he
ammo.
calling you a scrub?
I have no idea. No, I think he already ignored me once before.
Head back to
I
the
Hammer
think,
Boss.
yeah, he's already ignored me.
Look,
Alright.
just
Oh no,
Go,
here it
go,
came.
let's go.
Here's Hammer Boss
Yep.
PMing me. So skilled, Cicada Head, stay there.
Wow. Okay. Well, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Vanguard.
Wait, no, we're not.
Go,
no,
go,
we're
go,
not.
go,
Yeah, that's what it said.
We're not good, Bert. We're not good.
Get out and rip.
That's his thing.
I'll start repairs.
Yeah.
Yep.
I can repair that.
Holy shit, guys! Wow.
We should just get out of here.
The farm was
Destroy the
fucking real.
Eyes open. Enemy heavy. Got him. Eyes on an enemy lightning. I can
Mech,
repair
grab this buzz out of here.
Yeah.
Hate Skyguard.
There's a lot of us. Why are we not all repping it?
My rep tool ran out, so I got in shot.
God damn it.
Yes.